Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to create username or change it for your Facebook profile or Facebook account. You need to go to Facebook profile, then click here, then go to settings and privacy, and then go to settings. And here you will create a username, create it, and create a username. It should contain alphabetics or numbers or a period. Generate norm is not available. So if it is available, and you are satisfied with it, you can save it. And you need to enter the password for it. Enter the password and submit. You have created a username. You can change it. If you want. And okay, save changes. So in this way you can change username and create, and now you have new username in here. Please subscribe the channel and thanks for watching the video.